In VideoMule, when you're uploading a new video, it will ask you to choose a template. In this video, we're going to see how template works and how you can use this template to customize your script. So a template is how the script has to be written. So if you choose a how-to template, it's going to, you write the script as a how-to tutorial. But if you choose a product demo or a product ad tutorial, it's going to write the script like a promotional ad for your video. So depending on which template you choose, it's going to write the script in that way. A template is basically a set of instructions for your script writing. So we have two ready-made system templates, which we have created, but you can also create your own template. So you can either use our system templates or you can create your own template. Let me show you how you can create your own template, okay? So I'm going to click on create new template, and now you can give your name for your template. So I'm going to call it my custom template. And you can choose if this template needs to be visible to you or everyone on your team. So you can choose that over here. I'm going to leave it at this. And then this one is an important field you need to pay attention to. So this is the instructions that you can give to the AI on how the script needs to be written. So you can say keep the sentences short, keep it very explanatory. All of those instructions you can give it over here. And the AI will follow this whenever it's writing the script for the video which you have attached here. Okay, and let's say if you want to add your own instructions for the introduction. So always introduce yourself as so and so. If you want a certain instruction to be followed, you can write those here. And this introduction will be added at the top of the script. And next we have the conclusion. So this will be the sign off or the call to action at the end of the script. If you have any custom instruction that you want the AI to follow for the conclusion, you can add it over here. So you can say always end with start our free trial by clicking on the link below. So something like this you can say and save it as a template so that all the videos will follow this instruction. Alright, so if you don't want, you can also cancel this so that the conclusion will not be added. So once you create the template, you can select that template over here and the script will be written in that way. Okay. So we have seen how you can create your own template.